In a world racing toward human-like artificial intelligence, Figure has once again taken a massive leap forward. Their latest creation, the Figure 03 humanoid robot, isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete redefinition of what intelligent machines can be. From its brain to its fingertips, every part of Figure 03 is designed to think, feel, and interact with the world more like a human than ever before. And this time, the changes are not just cosmetic, they are revolutionary. At the core of Figure 03 lies its intelligence, powered by the new Helix AI system. Helix is Figure's proprietary vision-language action model, the brain that allows this robot to see, understand, and act all at once. Unlike traditional robots that rely on pre-programmed tasks, Figure 03 can interpret its surroundings, make real-time decisions, and learn on the fly. Whether it's rearranging a messy kitchen or navigating a crowded living room, this robot doesn't just follow commands, it adapts. Helix gives Figure 03 the ability to connect perception with action, meaning it doesn't just see the world, it understands it. And that understanding comes to life through natural conversation. Figure 03 isn't a silent machine, it talks, listens, and responds with remarkable human-like fluency. Thanks to a custom AI model built in partnership with OpenAI, it features real-time speech-to-speech interaction that feels less like talking to a robot and more like talking to an intelligent assistant with personality. Its upgraded audio hardware captures nuances in tone and emotion, allowing it to engage in more natural, meaningful dialogue. Imagine asking your robot to cook dinner, or just to chat about your day, and having it respond not with robotic beeps, but with genuine understanding. But intelligence alone isn't enough. For a humanoid robot to truly integrate into our lives, it needs world-class perception, and that's where Figure 03's next-generation vision system comes in. This system has been completely redesigned to deliver twice the frame rate and 1/4 the latency of previous models. Each of its cameras now covers a 60% wider field of view, giving Helix AI a richer and more stable stream of visual data. That means sharper vision, faster reactions, and smoother movements. Whether it's catching a falling object or carefully pouring a cup of coffee, Figure 03 sees the world with precision and depth that rivals human eyes. Then there are its hands, one of the most advanced features of the entire design. The new tactile hands are fitted with custom in-house sensors capable of detecting forces as light as 3 grams. That's sensitive enough to handle a raw egg without cracking it, or to gently pick up delicate objects like fruit or fabric. Embedded cameras in the palms give the robot a close-up perspective during fine motor tasks, offering precise control that's almost artistic. It's not just holding or grabbing, it's feeling, sensing, and adjusting in real time. Figure has also made major improvements in how the robot lives and moves. Figure 03 now supports wireless inductive charging at 2 kilowatts, built directly into its feet. Instead of plugging in, the robot simply walks onto a charging pad and recharges automatically. It's effortless, elegant, and completely autonomous. Imagine a future where robots can work all day, then quietly dock themselves at night, just like a person heading to bed. Safety has been a top priority in Figure 03's redesign. Unlike cold, metallic robots of the past, this one is covered in soft textiles with multi-density foam underneath, reducing the risk of injury or damage. It's built for the home environment, safe to be around children, pets, and everyday life. The design also boasts a 9% lighter body and a smaller frame compared to Figure 02, making it easier to maneuver through tight household spaces. Every curve, joint, and surface has been engineered with comfort, accessibility, and trust in mind. But perhaps one of the most impressive aspects of Figure 03 is not just how smart it is, but how scalable it is. Figure designed this robot from the ground up for high-volume production. Every component, from its arms to its sensors, has been optimized for mass manufacturing. That means lower costs, easier assembly, and a faster path to putting humanoid robots into real homes and workplaces. It's a clear signal that Figure isn't just building prototypes, they're building the future. So, what does this all mean? Figure 03 represents a critical moment in robotics, where intelligence meets emotion, and where machines begin to truly live among humans. It's not just about automation anymore, it's about partnership. A robot that can think, learn, and even communicate could soon become as common as a smartphone or a computer. Figure 03 is more than just a humanoid robot, it's a glimpse of what's coming next. A world where AI doesn't just power devices but shares our daily lives. And if this is the direction Figure is heading, the line between human and machine might soon become more blurred than ever before. The future, it seems, has already learned how to talk back. Write down your opinions and questions about the robot in the details section of the video. Then like and subscribe to not miss any robotics and AI news videos, then watch the next AI-related video that will appear in front of you soon. See you there.